All right, what's going on, Navy Vet 88? As you can see right here, review day. We got the GOWUTAR green dot. We out at the range. We're going to put our first few rounds down range through it. We don't have any backup iron sights or anything like that. We just mounted it fresh out of the box, so we're pretty much just going to see how it goes as far as the zero is concerned when it comes right out of the box, and if we need to do any adjustments or anything like that. So as you can see right here, we have a blank target, nothing on it, as you can see right here. And then we got 6 rounds loaded in our mag. So from here, we'll just pretty much put 6 rounds down range, see where the zero is at, see if we need to do any extra adjusting, or if I can kind of let you guys basically know that, hey, this green dot is pretty much, you know, standard and it's good out of the box. So let's go ahead and see how it looks. All right, so as you can see right here, first 6 rounds, all in the A zone, pretty low. I mean, I am shooting fairly close. So of course we'll work on our height over bore axis, which is something that you always have to account for when you're running a red dot. Like I said, we don't have any iron sights on here. We're only running off of the green dot. So you'll have to take an account for the riser that it's sitting on. So as you can see, this riser right here that came with it, it does sit up on a nice riser. It's pretty similar to that of the 𝐒𝐨𝐥𝐚𝐫 riser mounts that I've seen for a lot of their, you know, their optics. So what we're going to do next is we're going to put another 6 rounds through here, and this time we're going to adjust for the height over bore axis. So being that we aimed here and shot there, once we accommodate for the height over bore axis, we should be able to put all of our rounds right in the center of that A zone. So let's go ahead, put another 6 rounds down, and then we'll see how it looks after that. All right, so you saw the first 6 rounds that we put down range. Like I said, we do have to also account for the height over bore axis. So if you're ever taking your red dot fresh out of the box and you're putting it on a riser mount and you're getting shots that don't seem like they're hitting where you want them to hit, you also have to remember that and keep that in mind. So now that we have adjusted for that, we're gonna go ahead and put another 6 rounds down range, and we should get a whole lot better grouping this time around. All right, and as you can see, we brought our shots up this time around from when we initially shot. So when I aimed first without using a height over bore axis technique, I was aiming here and my shots were low. Once I used that technique, I aimed more about here, and all of my shots were pretty much exactly where I wanted them to be at. So of course, if you want to go ahead and try to get or pick up this green dot online, you can. I'll put the link for it down in the description box below. You can go on Amazon, pick one up. Like I said, it's GOWUTAR green dot, sitting on a riser mount. Really cool, nice pressure pass when it comes to the rubber for the brightness settings. Solar panel at the top, nice clear glass, battery cap on the side. As you can see right here for your windage and elevation, you also have that there and also up at the top. All in all, so far so good right out of the box. No zeroing needed. I'll take a couple shots maybe at about 50 yards out and kind of see what kind of grouping I'm getting from there. A lot slower shots, nothing that's too crazy, and we'll see how it goes. But for me right now, in my opinion, right out of the box, the GOWUTAR green dot is perfect. All right, so we back. As you can see right here, we got the GOWUTAR green dot. You saw the rounds that we put down range. Just wanted to kind of give you guys a more in-depth, up close and personal view of the actual green dot itself. You can see right here, I'll try to get it so you can see it. That's the battery section where you can put your batteries in that. And of course on the riser mount. And then we'll flip it around here. And there you go. See if you can see that. As you can see, your rubber buttons for your higher and lower reticle settings if you want to make it brighter or lower. Of course, your windage and elevations right here, as well as right there. Like I showed you, solar panel top, of course, batteries go down. You got your good sun, use it as energy, of course. And hopefully you can see the dot inside of there. Try to get it till we can see it. So there is the green dot. Pretty nice dot, man. Very clear, very easy to manipulate as far as working the section for the windage and elevation. One thing that I did like about it was that it doesn't have any type of turrets or caps or anything like that that you have to kind of go in, take off, then screw back on and anything like that. I do like the fact that it's all flush across the top, as well as here on the side is flush. You could pretty much just go and adjust it on the fly without having to worry about any type of caps or anything like that falling off. So that is one great thing about it. Of course, we have it on our 10-inch rifle, sprayed by myself, yours truly, of course. We just put these iron sights on here. So we haven't zeroed it for being co-witnessed with the iron sights yet, because like I said, I just put these iron sights on here, or these Magpul flip-ups, MBUS Gen 3s, I want to say. I just put these on here when we came out to the range, but the first thing that I wanted to do was check the zero out of the box on the GOWUTAR. And now that I know that it's pretty much set, it's good to go, it's squared away, I'm going to go ahead and do some pretty much zeroing it just to make sure that the rear and front flip-ups are pretty much just co-witness with it, so I'm not having any issues when it comes to aiming, whether I have the sights up or down. And if for some reason the reticle is you know, the battery goes out and maybe it's just not the perfect day when it comes to lighting for the solar panel, I know that even when I flip my iron sights up, they're still working, they're still accurate with no issues. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Shout out to GOWUTAR, of course, again, for sending us this green dot to check it out. Very, very nice green dot. I can't say anything bad about it so far. It's really great, honestly. Nice glass clarity, ease of use is really good, mounting is really good. It comes with the riser mount, of course, so that's, you know, that's always an additive when it comes to a product that somebody sends you or a product that you buy. When it comes to a red dot, is having those risers, because a lot of people like to run risers now. It makes it a little easier, a little faster when it comes on the draw. But I think, you know, sending it with a riser was just like a premier kind of thing, and I appreciate that. But that's all. I don't have anything else for you guys. As you can see it again, get some good looks at it. And yeah, so I'll holler at you. Navy Vet 88. Peace.